Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. For many repairs, you will need to disassemble your dryer. To do this, first unplug the appliance before beginning. Your next step is to remove the screws at the bottom of the front panel. Now, rotate the panel out from the bottom to release the clips at the top. Noting their location, disconnect the wires from the door switch, as well as from the retaining clip on the panel, and set the panel aside. Release the wires from the front bulkhead. Next, remove the screws to release the front bulkhead from the cabinet. Reach under the drum and push the idler pulley up to release the belt tension. Unthread the belt from the pulley and motor shaft and pull the belt out. Lift out the drum to gain full access to the interior of the dryer. To reassemble your dryer, replace the drum by aligning its rim on the two support rollers. Now slide the belt over the drum, flat side down, and loop the belt around the pulley and motor shaft in a zigzag formation. Rotate the drum to help align the belt. Position the front bulkhead and secure it with the screws. Secure the door switch wires on the retaining clips of both the bulkhead and the front panel. Then reconnect the wires to the door switch. Insert the front panel clips into the slots under the lip of the main top and rotate the panel into place. Secure it with the mounting screws. You're now ready to plug the appliance back in.